Alright, I'm now here in the Little Mermaid area at Disney's Art Animation Resort. And this resort is basically laid out just like Pop Century Resort. Building 6 was over at the Lion King area, however Building 7, 8, and 9 are in the Little Mermaid area, while Building 10 is at the Lion King area. So definitely an interesting layout, let's go with that. Anyways, there's a huge statue of Ursula. And now we're going to ride the elevators in this building. And as you can see, Buildings 7, 8, and 9 have exterior corridors, which is kind of interesting as well. Here are the elevators. We got this card here. We got more Otis with Series 5. Let's go to 4. Durable 4. Back down to 1. Ooh, sounds like the left car has the better motor. One. Oh, sorry about that. Let me hold the door for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll let those people go. And now we'll try to get the left car. Elevator 1. It just went upstairs, so we might be waiting for a little bit. Over here is your manpower elevator. And here's the left car. Go to 4. The big bump. Durable 4. Back down to 1. And now we get a caveat of this elevator. These elevators here are okay. Not really that great as well as some of the other buildings. There's your floor indicator, key switches, certificates, Series 5 buttons. This is elevator 1, capacity is 3,500, and there's your phone. And here we are back at the first floor. There's your AED. And there it goes. And that will be it for this building.